Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to another adventure together. Today we're on the beautiful and unique Hormuz Island. We start at the local market, where the colors, handicrafts, and the warm atmosphere of the people are truly wonderful to see. Walking between the small stalls gives you a real and lively feeling of island life. Then we head to one of the most extraordinary places in Hormuz, Rainbow Valley.
تلگرام نذاری فیلممون تلگرام نذاری
Here you can see 7 different colors of rocks side by side: red, yellow, orange, white. It feels as if nature carefully painted this landscape itself. Some of the rocks even look like human faces and heads, as if nature has been sculpting on its own.
Victoria. Victor بیا
After that, we continue to the Valley of Statues, where the rocks have naturally formed into incredible sculpture-like shapes. Standing beside these tall formations while seeing the island and the sea in the background truly makes you feel like you're in another world. The combination of high cliffs, natural stone sculptures, and the blue sea creates a breathtaking view that must be experienced in person. If you enjoy discovering the unique beauty of Iran, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me continue exploring and sharing more amazing places with you.
نه من اومدم با مترو اومدم اما ماشین رو آوردم بار ما آوردم اونجا ابراهیمی رفت خالی کنه با سواری با سواری
ببخشید نتونم نسخه
ما رفتیم
در جاهای دیگه دنیا از این چیزا سیاه این چیز خاصی نبود که پس برگردیم
بیا بابا
آره من گفتم در طی اون عکس‌ها شهید میشم یه سوال باید اون همه مسیر بریم بالا بدیم
ببخشید
ایراد
گوشی تا بدم